I made this from a cedar tree, from this. And I'm gonna show you how. Let's go.
It's like a dominoes effect. If you touch the wrong piece, it'll fall on your head. so bad.
gotta find some, I need some small, like inch air nails. These are too long.
Gonna use my dragon's breath today. Taking the pumpkin on the Amazon stencil, and we are gonna wood burn the easy way. So I'm just dipping my stipple brush. This is a stencil brush, and I'm gonna take most of it off. I like to use the lid of my dragon's breath. I like to use the lid as a palette. I'm gonna take most of it off. Less is more. You don't want it to run under the stencil, and you just stipple it on. Thin my paint out, and I like Floetrol. It thins out your paint without wrecking the properties of the paint. Water wrecks the properties of the paint. Try it Tuesday. Okay, there's a great DIY challenge by Sammie at Unicorn Dust Designs. You find a video, a creator that inspires you, and you try to make it your own. Today, my inspiration came from Lisa at Lisa & Company. Great channel, go check her out. Links in the description below. Thanks, Lisa. Thanks, Sammie, for the great challenge. And hey, go check out the playlist. You won't be disappointed. Love you, bye.